In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can restore a database from a higher version of SQL Server to a lower version of SQL Server. Now, a lot of solutions recommend that you generate the scripts, but you'll run into memory issues in SQL Server Management Studio, right? The best way to do this is generate what is called a backpack file, and I'll be demonstrating this using SQL Server version 2025 and SQL Server version 2022. So you can see version 17, which is for 2025, and version 16, which is for 2022. So I'm going to go ahead and generate a backpack file for my backup. So I'm going to select task and then select export data tier application. Select next to continue. Choose a location where you want your backpack file to be stored. So I'm just going to be calling this demo backpack. Now, please keep in mind this is a empty This is just for demonstration purposes. Let me copy the path and then save. Select next to continue and then select finish. So this will go ahead and export all your schemas, store procedures, trigger everything and store it within the backpack file. Now, one thing to note, this method is slower than a standard backup and restore. So I'm going to select close. Now, the next step is to import the backpack file. So I'm going to right click databases and select import data tier application. Select next to continue. Browse for the backpack file that was generated, then select open and then select next to continue. Here you can specify the name for the new database. I'm just going to say demo new. You can specify the location where you want your files to be stored. That is your data file and log file. I'm going to be keeping the default and just select next. This is just demonstration purposes. And here you can see my new database has been successfully imported.